Title: The Enchanted Forest Adventure. Once upon a time, Lily was a curious and creative youngster living in a little village situated close to a mystical forest. She possessed a wonder-filled heart and a fertile mind. In a dusty old box, Lily discovered a curious map one bright morning while exploring the village's fringes. A hidden path to the enchanted woodland, which is said to be home to mystical beings and valuable artifacts, was discovered by the map. Lily went on an amazing journey since she was powerless to resist the pull. She stepped into the uncharted territory while holding the map securely in her hand. The moment she entered the woodland, magic filled the air. Amidst towering trees whispering to one another were vibrant flowers blooming in every hue imaginable. Lily continued on the route shown on the map, which took her farther into the forest's interior. She abruptly heard a tremulous plea for assistance. As Lily sped towards the sound, she came across Sparkle, a little, hurt fairy. Lily, who has a heart of gold, carefully picked up Sparkle and attended to her wounds. Sparkle offered to lead Lily through the forest while pointing out its magical wonders out of gratitude for her generosity to her. They traveled together, passing mysterious animals as they bridged babbling brooks and through luscious meadows. They came across the cunning gnome Giggles, who pleased them with his amusing antics. The grateful unicorn gave Lily a shiny rainbow-colored feather in appreciation for helping a lost baby unicorn make its way back to its mother. Lily and Sparkle came across an old tree with a door cut into its trunk as they continued their journey. They beckoned them in out of curiosity. They found a secret library inside, stuffed with books that contained untold tales. Each book opened up a new world and took the reader to far-off places. In one tale, they were riding a friendly dragon as it carried them above the skies. In another, they investigated a sea creature metropolis below the surface. Lily's imagination expanded with each story, and her relationship with Sparkle tightened. When the time was right, Lily had to say goodbye to Sparkle and head back to her house. They made the vow to keep their memories forever while crying. Lily found herself back at the outskirts of her hamlet as she came out of the woods. Lily told the villagers about her remarkable journey with a heart full of thanks and a mind bursting with tales. The peasants were moved by her courage and ingenuity, and they started to recognize magic in their own lives. To commemorate Lily's voyage, they painted vibrant murals, constructed imaginative tree houses, and even organized a storytelling festival. Because one inquisitive youngster followed her heart and discovered the beauty hidden within every adventure, the community soon blossomed with wonder and imagination. As a result, the legend of Lily and the Enchanted Forest became a famous tale that was passed down through the years, serving as a constant reminder to everyone that magic exists everywhere if we only have the courage to believe it and go on our own adventures.